art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Bowser for beginners, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started in the center with the nose, and we're going to curve this around and down on the right. For the nostril, we're going to curve this out, up and in on both sides. And then we're just going to color in the center black. Let's step across. On the left hand side, rounding this out, curving that over, as well as on the right. And then moving out again, curving that further across. Let's move up for the eyebrow. We're going to draw a diagonal line, curving that in on either side. Now from here, we're going to curve this up, over, and out. And now from that point, we're just going to curve this back around and into the top. Now from here, again, curving that across. And then from that point, we're going to curve this up, down, and then back in. Let's draw in a curved line on the left-hand side for the eyes. We're going to round that out, tugging that in. Let's move across now, and we're going to curve that back, around, and up. And then we'll just draw in a small curved line on the inside. Now on the top left-hand side, drawing in a circle for the highlight. We'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side as well. And then now coming in, we're going to draw in another circle or second highlight in the middle. Let's draw in the pupil underneath, rounding that out, curving that up. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. And then now from here, we're just going to color in the pupil black. Let's frame in the rest of the face here now. So we're going to frame in the cheek. We're going to curve this around and down on both sides. Let's come in towards the center for the mouth. Right in the middle, we're going to curve this around and up on both sides. Stepping out again, let's replicate that, curving that through to the top. Now let's come down towards the bottom, curving that in, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to close that off with a curved line, connecting that together. Let's draw in a triangle on the left and right hand side for the teeth. We'll do the exact same thing on the bottom, stepping in slightly, making these ones smaller. Now for the tongue in the middle, curving that over and down on the right. And then we'll do the exact same thing, curving that over and across on the left. Now for the chin in the center, curving this around and up. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side as well. Now from here, we're going to curve this down and in for the cheek. Let's continue to move up. We're going to round this in on both sides. And then we'll curve that down and through to the center as well. Let's draw on the horns here. So we're going to curve this up on either side. And then now from that point, we're going to round that out, tucking that in on the left and right hand side. Let's curve this down from the bottom, curving that into the top. Let's close off the top of the hair. So we're going to curve that in. And now let's draw on the hair. So from the left-hand side here, we're going to curve this out. We're going to leave a gap coming down, curving that over and across. From that point, let's curve that line in. Now from here in the center, we're going to curve this in, out, and back down to the bottom. Let's curve this line out on the right, tucking that back in on the side. And then one last time, we're just going to curve this up and tucking that back through on the right. And that is it. That's how you draw Bowser for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.